Hello everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're reviewing Elycura Gum Repair Gel. This product claims to be a bioactive gum gel with 0.2% hyaluronic acid that supports gum repair and reduces bleeding and sensitivity within just 72 hours. Sounds impressive, right? But the big question is Elycura legit or just another overhyped product? Let's break it down. Elycura says its formula contains hyaluronic acid, which is known for its healing and moisturizing properties. In dental care, hyaluronic acid can help reduce inflammation, support tissue repair, and improve gum health. So scientifically, that ingredient does make sense. The product promises reduced gum bleeding, less sensitivity, faster gum repair within 3 days. Now, these claims sound attractive, especially for people struggling with gum issues. Before buying, here are some things you should verify. First, check if the website provides clear manufacturer details. Is there a real company behind it? Second, look for genuine customer reviews outside their official website. Independent reviews matter more than testimonials posted on the seller's page. Third, check refund policy and contact information. Scam websites often hide or limit these details. If the website is very new, has no dental certifications mentioned, or lacks verified reviews, that's a caution sign. From an ingredient perspective, hyaluronic acid is not fake science. However, the 72-hour dramatic improvement claim may vary from person to person. Results in dental health usually depend on overall oral hygiene and existing gum condition. So, Elycura doesn't automatically look like a scam, but you should avoid impulse buying. Always consult a dentist if you have serious gum problems. Elycura Gum Repair Gel could be helpful, but don't expect miracle results overnight. Do proper research before purchasing. If you found this review helpful, like this video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor and stay safe from online scams. See you in the next review. Thank you.